Hi guys, follow me on Instagram to never ever miss any of my crazy updates. Hi guys and welcome to another vlog. Turbo, yes that's right, that's the word, not turbo. This is the Duster Turbo, it's just come and the Harrier is also standing somewhere else. The thing is that over the weekend, so many cars have come and I have not much time to drive because I'm going for a drive right now. Basically, Parth has actually picked up the car from Thane and he's on his way to Karjat. So in between we are going to be joining. That just makes it efficient because I have to finish the shoot of all these cars. Although these cars are there throughout the week, there's something special which is coming day after tomorrow for which I'm going to personally go to take delivery. And I'm so excited for it that I'm like, let's finish everything. Nothing else I'm going to touch when that car is there. So what is it all about? Well, first and foremost, let's get into the new car which you're going to be driving today. It's a car of the future. So we are actually starting from office because the car is here. This is the Mercedes EQC, the electric version of the GLC. And I think you should just start driving because I can't wait to put 765 Newton meters of torque right away. Actually, that V-Class is a support car so that we can do tracking shots, and the GLS is actually a service car in case something goes wrong with the battery or something. Obviously nothing's going to go wrong, but just in case for support, we also have a GLS along with us today. You're sitting in a Harrier, hi. How is it? At least be on time sometime. Kabhi to.
I am so sorry. Today for the first time I am late. Otherwise I won't.
Every time you're late. Today you're saying you're late. But kyun late? Itna kyun late?
I was not well. I was on medication. Then on urgent basis I had to take my dad for some important work. So I'm late. I'm sorry. I really apologize for today. बाकी दिन के लिए I don't apologize. I'm so sorry.
पहली बार देखा नेहा को कितने हम्बल होते हुए. इनफैक्ट सब कैमरा लगा के हम लोग रेडी हैं व्लॉग करने के लिए. बट
So sorry.
You better be. हाय बोल दो पार्थ को.
Hi Parth. I didn't realize he's sitting behind.
अगर खुद का टाइम मैनेजमेंट होगा तो ही रियलाइज करोगे ना.
हम लोग सो गए थे गाड़ी में वेटिंग फॉर यू.
So good na, enjoying this new.
You're enjoying? Everything is good. The seat is hot and warm.
हाँ so.
I'm asking, the seat is hot and warm.
हाँ so.
Good. That one.
I know. आँखें टिच बटन नहीं है.
You wanted it or what?
Yeah.
Oh God, this is disappointing.
चलो चलो.
I'm really surprised that you have to be super slow over speed breakers for an SUV, like really. But the performance is mind-blowingly awesome because if I get into throttle, it absolutely takes off. There's just so much grunt on offer. This electric motor is going to make everyone so fast, but without a soul, unfortunately, because although it's super fast, it just doesn't have that feel which a normal ICE engine does. Anyways, here you see, my goodness, it absolutely takes off. The punch is great. The braking is also really nice. But yeah, you are hauling 2.5 tons. Plus, obviously, the battery weight is like 600 kgs. That's more than the weight of Neha as well. And here we go. I'm actually hitting the pedals. Look at the regen braking. I have actually left the throttle, not applying brakes. But the regen makes the car stop so fast. We are in the most aggressive regen mode. It's like you don't never have to apply brakes. That's how it works. Mind-blowing. It's been a lot of fun driving this car, but it is so silent, it's so smooth, it's so refined, it's so comfortable. I'm wondering what is the future of AMG now, huh?
It's refined, it's smooth, it's nice, it's soft. और कुछ? ये क्या चल रहा है तब से? खटा खुटुक कितना कुछ चल रहा है? बॉटल्स रखी है क्या?
कोक की बॉटल वगैरह है.
ये सब लोग है ना दूसरी लेन में आ रहे हैं.
टच होगी?
क्या है? पागल हो क्या? ये है ना पापा.
हाँ, नमक रेस्टोरेंट यार. सामने ना GLS खड़ी है. Right now we have come to this Forest Club resort. Now the car is being given to the Motorbeam team, so they are going to go and shoot it right now. Just watch the door. So they're going to go and shoot it right now. Meanwhile, we're just going to chill for some time here. And Neha is throwing a party today. Neha, what's with the party? कौन सी party है? Auntie, कौन सी party आज?
अंकल क्या है?
कौन सी party throw करी?
लंगर खाने आ गए हो इधर. मैं I don't go for party. Sorry.
Because she's too old for parties, unfortunately. And on that bombshell, it's not time to end. But I'm a little confused, actually. बताता हूँ क्यों. How's the place? अच्छी लगी तुम्हें? पहले नहीं आई ऐसी जगह? ठीक से बात करो नेहा. Attitude मत दिखाओ कैमरा के सामने. Just say, yeah, it's a nice place. It's good.
Same thing I feel when you do all nonsense.
So how's the place? You like the place?
Yeah, it's nice.
It's quite nice, airy, no? It's very nearby also, surprisingly.
Yeah.
Let's get some BMW here. What say?
Yeah.
इतना excitement मैंने कभी नहीं देखा.
Good.
यहाँ से चलो ना. वैसे इसको पीछे खींचना होता है. Like this.
said it's only getting better. It's a fate.
Face to face, the back of your car, and you swore we never go this far. Hit me up 6 months later, asking me for another favor. And you know I'd never say no, asking me just to tell me I should go. Fast forward, now we're together. In the end, feeling strange like the weather. And I don't wanna know what you're gonna say now, what you're gonna say now. These feelings never show unless you're burning me down, unless you're burning me down. So tell me, will we be fine and stay up on cloud 9, pretending we're alright? Don't let go, hold me close and keep me by your side as we lay on your clothes.
What's up? All excited for the walk around?
Yeah.
Really? Today Neha is going to be doing the walk around. What say?
Prepare कर लेते यार.
I'll show you something. So basically, mainstream people, they sit inside this car to drive it. But real cool legends, they sit on top to drive a Mercedes GLS. Mr. Bean of India. Thumbs up mat kar. So Neha, how did you like the car? Be honest.
It's amazing.
The interior
is interior is great.
Interior is mind blowing. I mean, they've really outdone themselves in terms of the design layout, and I love the thing that it's tilted towards me, not towards you, the center console. Yeah.
मेरी तरफ.
हाँ वो मेरी तरफ है वो सेंटर कंसोल.
कभी-कभार ना मतलब औरों के लिए भी सोचना चाहिए.
डिकार आ रही है यार वो खा के. बिरयानी नहीं, दाल खिचड़ी.
दाल खिचड़ी खाई थी तुमने. इसलिए कहती मत खाया करो. Just have coffee and नींबू पानी.
अच्छा जी. What are we waiting for?
Christmas.
Light off कर दी तुमने. Alrighty, let's get going. So here's the vlog and look at Neha how he's looking at me. What's up? Let me do my vlog, huh?
Drift into the night. Please don't leave. Turn around and tell me it's alright. As I stood there in your sweater, you said it's only getting.
In case of rash driving, please report to whom? Number मिटा के बैठे. By now, we should have reached Thane, the Mercedes showroom at Thane. Actually, Path was supposed to reach Thane by this time, but we are still around Karjat only. You know why? We had to charge the car. Yes, that's right. We had to top up the battery a little bit. There wasn't a fast charger, so it took some time to get 5 to 10% more boost, because in case we get stuck in traffic, then that's the problem with electric cars. You can't top up immediately.
तारा सच थोड़ी ना बताना होता है.
सबको स्कीम बता दूं खोल के.
Exactly. What's up, party?
What's up?
Where's the party?
Party is at secret place.
Missing Aris? Hi Aris.
Yeah, man, I miss Aris.
Actually, Path and Aris went for a honeymoon in the V class, which is following us right behind right now. यहाँ से नहीं दिखने वाला, wide lens है.
नहीं दिख रही है.
So right now we are driving at almost, oh my god, so 80 kilometers per hour. I've removed my feet from the brake and accelerator. How do I stop the car? Well, look at this. With the pedals, regenerative braking, and it's almost coming to a standstill. That's how beautiful the regenerative braking actually works on this car. This is eco mode right now. Look at the performance. That is the end of this vlog, and the best thing about this drive was that we had 4 Mercedes cars. So one is the EQC in which we were there. There's a V class, which is a tracking car. There's a GLC, there's a GLS, and there's a full Mercedes convoy, which is so good. And I hope you like this vlog. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. That's a like button, and also subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys in the next video real soon. Bye bye. Everyone's staring at me like crazy.
Why this car is making so much sound?
A little bit of vibrations, I believe, because of the bad roads.
You remember in this car,
so
you
much...
took my Superb car keys, which was lying.
I didn't take
There.
it. You gave it to
George.
me. You gave it to me. And this car is really comfortable. The window area is so big. I think we need to call the V class yet again. कौन सी पता है? Marco Polo. Bed, kitchen, everything inside. And on that bombshell, it's time to end.
Bye bye.
Better. Tell me I should go. It's only getting better.